Welcome to Oz English Quick Fix. This collection, 500 English Conversations for Beginners, is your fast track to speaking English confidently. Forget dry grammar rules. Here, you'll learn through 500 practical question and answer pairs, 1,000 lines of dialogue covering daily life, habits, and preferences. The material focuses on essential, ready-to-use phrases to build muscle memory for quick recall. Use them to understand conversation patterns, who, what, where, how, and practice out loud daily. Your goal: transition from simply recognizing English to actively speaking it. Master these exchanges, and you'll have the foundation for everyday communication. Let's start talking.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like New Year.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What's your favorite drink?
I like lemonade.
Do you sleep early?
No, I sleep late.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
What's your favorite color?
I like yellow.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch The Muffin.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like vanilla.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like it.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go on weekends.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
Do you like reading stories?
Yes, I love stories.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride every day.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have one.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite song?
I like happy songs.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink it at night.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thank you.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza.
What's wrong?
Nothing, I'm just tired.
Can I call you later?
Sure, talk to you soon.
Is this your bag?
No, it's not mine.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's leave now.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept like a baby.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, some water, please.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine. What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
How was your day?
It was busy but good.
What do you want to eat?
I feel like having noodles.
Do you like this music?
Yes, it's really nice.
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
What time does the movie start?
It starts at 6:30.
Are you coming with us?
Yes, I'll be there.
Do you need any help?
No, I can manage, thanks.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and painting.
Is it going to rain today?
Yes, bring an umbrella.
Do you watch TV a lot?
Not really, only sometimes.
What are you cooking?
I'm making fried rice.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, do you have any plans?
Where do you live?
I live near the city center.
How was your weekend?
It was great, thanks.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did it last night.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually listen to music.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's very comfortable.
What do you think about this idea?
I think it's a good one.
How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy action and comedy.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Of course, no problem.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I've never been before.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
What are your hobbies?
I like painting and reading.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study at the university.
How do you spell your name?
It's John.
Do you want to grab lunch?
Sure, I'm hungry.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to nuts.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
How much does this cost?
It costs $40.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
It's welcome 14,571.
Could you help me find this item?
Sure, I'll show you where it is.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, thank you for asking.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here you go.
What time is the meeting?
It's at 3 p.m.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Sure, I will.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's 2 blocks away on Main Street.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
How do I get to the train station?
Walk straight and turn left at the traffic light.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can you help me with this?
Yes, I can help you.
What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
Where do you want to go for dinner?
Let's try the new Italian restaurant.
How much does this cost?
It costs $15.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, you can.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and watch movies.
Is there a supermarket nearby?
Yes, there is one next to the bus stop.
How do you spend your free time?
I like reading books and going for walks.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Can you recommend a good movie?
Yes, I recommend Inception.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich or salad.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock music.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store.
Do you want to join us for dinner?
Yes, I'd love to.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Have you been to the new museum?
Not yet, but I want to visit soon.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little Spanish.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian restaurant downtown.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax and spend time with family.
Have you traveled abroad before?
Yes, I've been to several countries in Europe.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting and drawing.
How do you spend your holidays?
I usually travel or visit friends and family.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking new recipes.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop and rock music.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
Can you speak slowly?
I will try my best to speak slowly.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning for about a year.
Where do you come from?
I come from Mumbai.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what's your question?
Do you know where Mary went?
She said she was going to the cafe nearby.
Does she have a boyfriend?
Yes, she does.
Will she marry him?
It's hard to say.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I was sick yesterday, so I stayed home.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you.
What are you smiling about?
I got some good news today.
What's the good news?
I passed my driving test this morning.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a new car.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a red Honda Civic.
Can you give me a hand?
Of course.
May I have your name?
My name is Eva.
I have to go now. Bye.
See you soon.
When will I see you again?
Let's meet up this weekend.
What's new with you?
I got a new job in the city.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you new here?
Yes, I do not know anyone.
How long have you been here?
I just moved in last week.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What's your nationality?
I'm Indian.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Would you like to have coffee?
Maybe later, thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. May I have a cup of tea?
What are these?
Those are the keys to the office.
Are you still feeling sick?
I feel much better.
Would you like something to eat?
No thanks, I just had lunch.
Where did you have lunch?
I went to a small cafe nearby.
Where did Tom go?
He went to the gym.
When will he be back?
Probably around 7 p.m.
Did you just call me?
Yes, I wanted to ask you something.
What did you want to ask?
I wanted to ask if I could borrow your car.
Do you think you're healthy?
I try to eat healthy food and walk every day.
Any bad habits?
I drink too much coffee.
Do you have any siblings?
I am an only child.
What did you do today?
I went shopping with my mum.
What did you buy?
Some new clothes and groceries.
Do you need a doctor?
Yes, I have a bad headache.
Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I took some earlier.
How old is your grandfather?
My grandfather is 99 years old.
Is he in good health?
Yes, he's healthy and strong.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher and he works at a school.
What is he doing?
He is watching TV.
What should I wear?
A warm jacket. It's cold outside.
Have you eaten?
No, but I am not hungry.
Please answer the phone.
I'm busy at the moment.
How long will you be busy?
Just a few more minutes.
How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired.
Do you want to relax and watch a movie?
That sounds like a good idea.
Can you come for dinner tonight?
Sorry, I have plans tonight.
Would you like me to help you?
Thanks, but I'm almost done.
What time are you coming home?
Around 6 p.m.
Don't be so angry.
I am not angry. I am sad.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is Ottawa.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I only have one sister.
Is she older or younger than you?
She's younger than me by 2 years.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
I enjoy playing soccer with my friends.
What lovely weather, isn't it?
It's a perfect day for a picnic.